One of the questions that we have is generally, retail investors are amused to see that hotels are not filled up, buses are not running, trains are running, but stock markets have gone up. So that is the part
Sure.
that many retail investors are unable to understand.
See, I think, and you are right in your thought process that obviously when you see go down, you see shops being closed, you see restaurants closed, or malls with 20% occupancy. Obviously, you feel things are very, very bad. But I would say there is a whole lot of a new world, which is a digital world, where things are means like rocketing across the globe. So some of the strong innovative technology companies uh, are still delivering you the numbers. I'm talking about US companies are still delivering you the numbers despite the economy going down because of the health crisis. So I would say there is a whole a big world of digital, which is sort of a parallel economy. We can say in that sense that where irrespective on ground things being bad, uh, the sales are happening, companies are making profit, uh, and so things are chugging along. So I think, as I said, that we need to adapt to new changes, and these are the new changes that technology is going to play a very big role in our lives, uh, be it from buying, from purchases to using Google Meet or something else from the communication perspective. So I think it's a very different world, and I, I would say uh, some of the companies, one of the large uh, player in the market is now trying to move from B2B to B2C. You would have seen, and the kind of valuations they have got from the FDI flows. Like many of these strong marquee US names, US companies have put money into those companies. So I think clearly uh, that has led to significant shift in terms of the mood in the market, where lot of FDI flows, lot of QIPs happening, money wanting to invest into stories where there is an edge of technology, or people feel that these companies are here to survive for a longer period of time. And this is across the world. It is not any specific to India. Specifically to answer your questions, I would say clearly money is available in plenty in the global world. There is lot of quantitative easings which have happened again after this pandemic, along with 2008-9 money sloshing around. So that money has to be invested to deliver, let's say, 5-7% kind of a return to any
Mhm.
sovereign wealth fund or to any pension fund, right? And that is where the cost of as the cost of capital has come down, people are okay paying slightly higher price to a more stronger stories, but they want to participate. So um, the flows are strong. You would have seen the kind of deals which are happening in the market and the kind of responses they are getting, which speaks about a lot of money which is chasing few good companies, and those good companies being part of Nifty markets are higher.
True. So that is the story. I mean, one part, although economy is suffering, the other part is doing pretty well, which is
No,
compensating
I
or.
think I think the good part. For example, if you see maybe wherever you are staying, your shops, the shops might be closed, the sari shop or something like that. But if you see Mintra, if you see this Amazon Prime sale today and tomorrow, these are very different ecosystem. But you can get what you want, right? At the end
True,
of the day, sitting at home, working from home, still you are able to do whatever you can do, right?
true.
Except for some of the things like going to restaurants or something like that. Except for that, or maybe going for tourism or something, I think, which would be, let's say 10-15% of your total activity or spending habit. Rest everything is available, right? So net I would say, from a, if you really see from your house perspective, I think 80-85% of things are happening, right? Be
Correct.
it buying, be it selling, be it anything, right? So, so, so I think this new world is very, very different, and hence, when you go down, you will feel that things are very, very bad. But there is an other side of the story which is not known, which is in the
Mhm.
wire, but that is doing very well.
Yeah, 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 yeah. True.